The KneeRover Economy Knee Scooter is a versatile mobility aid designed for both indoor and outdoor use, providing a comfortable and stable alternative to crutches. This knee scooter features four smooth 7.5-inch rubber wheels and dual rear on-wheel brakes, ensuring excellent stability and control while navigating. Weighing only 21 pounds, the KneeRover Economy is lightweight yet robust, capable of supporting up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for both children and adults. The adjustable handlebars and kneepad accommodate users from 4 feet 9 inches to 6 feet 4 inches, offering a customizable fit for a wide range of individuals. Designed with convenience in mind, the handlebars have a quick-release folding mechanism, allowing for easy transport and storage when not in use. As a trusted brand in mobility solutions, KneeRover has crafted this affordable yet high-quality knee walker, ideal for those recovering from foot or ankle injuries or surgeries.